Hi science fans,
Hi.
we're back. We're back with the next experiment from the Frightful First Experiments kit by part of their Horrible Science range. And we're having quite a lot of fun with this one, aren't we?
Yeah.
We are.
Even though we only have like 3.5 days left.
Well, it was 3 days
No,
earlier.
I mean 2.5.
2.5, yeah. So we're on experiment 13, so we're not far off. How many was there altogether?
18.
18, okay.
But wait, we don't have that many pieces left. I think we have too many experiments.
Oh, maybe.
I still want to do them.
Okay, we'll see. So, let's see what they've got to say about this one. So this is experiment 13. Professor enlarges Bonkers Bouncy Ball.
Bonkers Bouncing Ball?
That sounds like fun.
Yeah.
So it says, what did you think of vile visions? Clever, eh?
Yeah.
It was quite clever.
But the instructions were
yeah, they were a bit rubbish. This experiment is lots of fun. It will be bouncing.
Okay.
Enjoy from Professor Enlarge.
Ah, he seems quite happy
He seems quite happy with that one, yeah. So, there's your jigsaw piece. Do you want to add it in?
Oh, they keep all fitting.
That's not far off. So we've got 5 to go, I
Maybe
think.
1, 2, yeah, 3, 4, 5.
Yeah. Okay, that would make sense. Okay, so this is the bouncy ball experiment. So we need the ball mould, which was in the kit. We need 3 bags of crystals.
3, yellow, purple, and blue.
And we need some water and a jug or cup.
Water or cup.
Something that the ball will fit into.
Wait, I kind of remember doing this
We've done it in another experiment. Yeah. This is this is a favourite type, this one.
Yeah.
So we're going to clip the ball mould together.
Okay, like I know how to do that. Yeah, I'll totally be able to do that.
There you go.
Oh, I did! Oh, I was going to give it to you. Wait,
Oh, nearly. Come on.
Yeah.
You nearly
there
did
you
it.
go. Squeeze, mummy, squeeze!
Yes, it's not that easy. Right,
Squeeze.
clip. Right.
There we go.
It's now together. Look, science fans, it's together.
Yay.
Okay, now, would you pass me that piece of tissue paper, please?
Yes.
And would you place it on the table? Now, we've added this as a precaution.
A precaution?
Because I suspect this is going to make a mess. Right, I poured the bags of crystals into the mould, one by one, until the mould was full. So what colour do you want to start with?
Let's start with yellow.
Yellow? Shall I cut it?
Yeah.
Give it a shake, shake, shake.
Shake, shake.
Do not eat or swallow, it says.
Okay.
So we'll cut that.
Not like we were going to do that anyway.
Would you like me to pour, or would you like to pour?
You can pour.
Okay.
I'll pour the second one, maybe.
Okay. So, pour, pour, pour.
Pour, 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 pour.
Pour, pour, pour.
How much is in there? Well, dust.
There we go.
There we go.
I'm gonna tap that one down. Right, what one do you want next?
Blue?
Blue.
I'll pour it in this time. I'll try not to make a mess. Why is it wonky?
No, it's because you're just gonna have to make sure it doesn't fall. Okay.
Cool.
I shall hold. You can pour.
Okay, I'll try not to make a mess.
Good job.
Oh, it's not.
Nice.
Okay, there we go.
Good job.
I'll pour the last one, I guess.
Okay. Give it a tap.
Get up.
And then this one next then.
Nice.
Pink or purple? Purple.
Magenta.
Magenta, you reckon?
Well, actually, not really.
You pouring?
Yeah.
Okay.
Purple.
Oh, you were doing so well.
Oh no.
Right. Slow down a bit.
Okay.
Try again.
Can we pick that up after? Oh, that's too much anyway.
No, keep going. Keep going. Right, stop.
That's too much anyway. Oh, wait.
Go on. Stop. Stop.
There's a tiny bit more.
I'll put that in.
Oh, that's one
Or
bit.
just get it all over the table.
Oh, wait. We got that. We got the yellow. You poured the yellow, so technically.
Yeah, that must have fallen out the
You
bottom.
can't
Right, I'm going to
blend
just try and pour these in. Can you hold that for me?
Yeah, I'll try. Do I need to do this a bit? Okay. Very full. Okay, you can do it, Mum. You better pour. Yeah. That it?
Okay.
Wait, there's a few.
Oh, well, I don't think we're going to worry about those ones.
Okay, just pop them in.
Okay.
Maybe you should go tap, tap, tap. There we go.
Okay.
Perfect.
So, with the opening at the top, I placed the mould into the cup. I filled the cup with water until the mould was fully covered. Oh, okay. Well, we've already got water.
Yeah.
And then I left it for 2 minutes. Okay.
Only 2?
So, you ready? Do you want me to do it?
Yeah. Wait, is it going to all spew out?
No, it'll be alright.
Wait, do you have to keep your hand in there? Ooh. I've always wondered why it doesn't come flying out.
Okay.
2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay,
so,
we're back. It's been 2 minutes.
It has been 2 minutes. So let's see what happens. So this has been sitting in the water for 2 minutes.
Okay.
So now we're going to take it out. Do you want to take it out?
Okay. What? Is it going to go?
No, just lift it up and put it on the tissue, which is already pretty wet. Okay, just, yeah, let that drain out a bit. Okay. Right, and now we're going to leave it stand.
How long?
For 2 minutes.
But,
So I'm just going to pop something to let it stay upright. Okay, so we're going to have another timer. Go. Okay. So we've left it for 2 minutes. And now it says we're going to take it out.
Oh
no, we've taken it out. I carefully unclip the mold to release the ball.
Okay.
So let's see.
I really hope it doesn't fall apart. Don't kill it, Mum.
I'm not killing it.
Oh?
Hey, look at that.
Cool. Wait.
Oh, it's a bit squelchy.
Oh dear. These are the only crystals we have, so be careful.
There we go.
Can I hold it?
So, well, yeah, in a minute. What it says now is rinse it under running water and leave it to dry. So I'm just going to...
For how long? Like overnight?
Well, I don't know. Just however long it takes to dry. So that's going to be our running water.
Okay.
And then I'm just going to use this to dry it off a bit.
Oh, but then it'll be dry.
Well, I don't know. What might happen is that the tissue sticks to it.
Oh, please don't.
So it's still quite damp.
Can I hold it though? Ooh! Oh, it's sticky. Take it.
Do you want to show the camera what we've made?
It's so sticky.
So what we can do is we can just leave it to dry and then we'll come back.
Yeah.
And show everybody what it's like when it's dry. But in the meantime, shall I tell you what
It's so sticky. Hold on.
What's going on in here?
Hold on.
I don't think it will bounce because I think it's too wet. But we've tried.
Don't wreck your table.
No, it's not dry enough yet.
It's so sticky. I needed to rinse my hands.
Okay, so shall I tell you what's happened?
Yeah.
So those crystals that we had were a chemical called polyvinyl alcohol. Polyvinyl alcohol.
Polyvinyl alcohol.
Yeah, which is something called a polymer, right?
Okay.
And polymers are long chains of similar molecules. So you know what a molecule is?
Yeah.
It's like different atoms stuck together. So in a polymer, they're long chains.
Okay.
Right? When these crystals are dry, they're hard. So when they were in the bag, they were hard, weren't they?
Yeah.
Yeah. But when you add water, the molecules, which are all in a line, spread out a bit.
Oh.
And then they stick together. Right? So they spread out and stick to the ones next to them.
Wow.
So that's why it's now a ball shape.
A ball
right?
shape.
Because we put it in the mould and it all stuck together in the shape of the mould.
It looks pretty cool, to be fair.
It does look cool. Now when it's dry, we'll be able to test whether it bounces, right?
Okay.
And it should bounce because the molecules, which are they're all squashed together, yeah, will soak up the energy. So remember when you drop something, the energy from gravity makes it fall. The molecules are going to soak it up and they're going to boing it back up again, right?
A little bit.
So, but we'll try that. when it's dry,
Yeah.
because it is properly sticky.
We'll come back.
So we'll come back and show you later, science fans, how we get on with the bouncy ball. Okay,
we are back. The ball is dry enough now.
So we've left this ball for about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe.
Yeah.
It's got a bit of tissue paper stuck to it, but I don't think that's going to affect it.
Okay.
And I think it's dry enough now.
Can I feel it? Is it like really sticky?
No, it's not sticky anymore.
It's okay.
Right?
It's fine.
So would you like to test the bounceability of it?
The bounceability. Okay, I'll do it from that.
Okay.
Actually, no, small fit.
Nice.
A bit.
Nice.
Ooh! The Whopper.
Hey, okay.
Oh,
so,
Sheldon!
Oh, you killed Sheldon. Oh no, what have you done to Sheldon?
Sheldon! Oh, he's gonna fall apart.
Oh
someday.
no. So, okay,
Yeah,
so
with
it's
force.
Ah!
I just did it with a bit of force.
Okay, so the ball has gone and vanished now, but we'll get it in a minute.
Okay.
So before we get the ball and start playing with it again, let's rate this experiment.
Yeah.
So what do you think of the bouncing ball experiment?
Oh, I like it. I'm gonna give it an 8.
An 8, okay. Okay. I'll go for 8 too. Why are you giving it an 8?
Because, well, clearly it was funny when it flew off the table.
Yeah.
And it dried pretty quickly.
It did dry pretty quickly.
Like last time when we did that, I think we had to wait overnight.
I think you're right, yeah. So that was quite good. What I liked about it, why I gave it an 8, is because unlike the other times we've done bouncy balls, it had quite a nice scientific explanation.
Scientific explanation?
Well, I like a scientific explanation.
You like a scientific?
Because I'm a scientist.
You're a scientist.
So, yeah. So I quite like that one.
Okay.
And it did bounce quite nicely. And now it's over there.
So, Mum, what's the scientific explanation?
Well, I told you it was all about the chains of the polymers. Now, what it does say is that it will go hard.
Yeah.
And we know that.
Yeah.
Because we've seen that before. But what I didn't know, it makes a lot of sense if I think about it, is if you get it wet again, it bounces again.
But it would bounce if it was hard, though, right?
No, do you remember when you've done the balls before?
Oh, yeah.
They get really hard.
Yeah.
And you can't do anything with them.
Oh, we can just put them back
in water. I know. So that's clever.
But why did we throw away all our balls?
Oh, I don't know. Well, we won't throw away this one. So anyway, so that was the bouncing ball experiment from the Frightful First Experiments Lab by
Gals.
If you like what we're doing here, don't forget to go to our YouTube channel, which is Science Time with Dr. Laura and
Ellie and Sheldon.
And don't forget to
like and subscribe.
And we'll see you next time. Bye, science fans.
Bye.